Hi everyone, here are your directions for your string art kit. You can see we've got all of our supplies laid out. I'm going to move everything off our board. And we are using the heart pattern. I'm choosing this one because this pattern has the numbers laid out for you. It's the easiest one to use. So first you're going to take your black paint and your board and you're going to paint one side of the board, give it an even texture. It may take more than one coat. Let that dry. And then once you've chosen your stencil, you're going to lay it out on your board. You're going to take your nails and you're going to tap in short little strokes at first, about halfway. All we're doing here is marking the template. You don't want to hammer in too hard right now. Okay. Because you want to be able to pull these pins out to move the paper. I'm just marking a few spots. Okay, once you've marked all of your spots on your pattern, pull out the pins, move the paper, and now it's time to really hammer in the nails. Please be careful. You want them to go in firmly. I'm going to throw in just a couple up here. Again, you want the nails to be firm because the string will be tugging on them. But you don't want to hammer in so hard that it goes through the bottom. Okay, once you've got your pattern all in place, there we go. Take whatever embroidery thread you're going to start with. Now on the heart, we've got the number 1 spot down here on the bottom. Whatever stencil you use, the starting point is your choice. So here's the basics of what string art is going to do. You can see here on this one that it's got all of the pieces labeled. And what you do is you start at the 1 and go across, and then the 2 and go across, and then the 3 and go across. And you're going to mix your strands. So I'm going to take my string, I'm going to start at my 1 point. I'm just going to loop it once. Now again, my nail is in nice and firm. So I go across to the farthest point and then back, and then I would loop here and then back. Whoops. And it's going to create a crisscross pattern. There is no right or wrong way to do this. You can make up your own patterns. You can layer over with different strings. If you want to use 1 color or 2 colors or 3 colors and you run out, you can absolutely take the ends, tie them together, and create one long rainbow string that you want to work with. There is no wrong way to do the pattern that you want to create. When you are finished, I'm going to go down here to the end if you can see. Just make sure that all of your strings are nice and taut and that your ends are trimmed. And that's it. Happy stringing.